Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're delving into the world of UK1 new penny coins, specifically comparing the 1971 and 1998 editions to uncover their value and significance in heritage auctions. Let's get started. The UK1 new penny coin from 1971 holds a special place in the hearts of collectors. It marked a significant change in the British currency system, as it was the first year of decimalisation. Before 1971, the UK used pounds, shillings, and pence. Decimalisation brought about the introduction of the new penny, which was equivalent to 2.4 old pence. This coin was a symbol of modernization and a new era for British currency. When it comes to determining the value of a 1971 new penny coin, several factors come into play. These include its condition, rarity, and any unique characteristics it may have. As of my last update in September 2021, a 1971 new penny coin in brilliant and circulated condition could be valued at around $100,600. However, please note that coin values can fluctuate over time due to market demand and other factors. Next up, the UK1 penny 1998 coin. This coin features a stunning design with Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and a detailed depiction of the iconic Golden Hind ship on the reverse. But what makes this coin even more interesting is its potential value in the world of coin collecting. To understand the value of this coin, we must first appreciate its historical significance. In 1998, the United Kingdom minted pennies with a transitional design. They were switching from the old larger-sized pennies to the smaller, modern-sized ones. As a result, the 1998 one penny coin holds a special place in numismatic history. So, if you happen to have a well-preserved 1998 one penny coin, it could be worth more than you think. The value of the 1998 one penny coin at a heritage auction can vary. It depends on factors such as rarity, demand, and of course, condition. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, a pristine example of this coin could fetch anywhere from $50,000 to $65,500 at auction. However, for coins in exceptional condition or with unique characteristics, the value can skyrocket. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow collectors. Thanks for joining us today.